Hey, Harvey, the Silver Fox, with another classic car AI video. I'm producing this AI video with my AI tools to show you how our AI image and video generating tools work. At the end of the video, I will give you instructions on how you can request I produce a free AI custom video for your favorite classic car, plus give you these AI video generating tools for free so you can produce your own AI videos. Plus, give you a ready-to-go AI profit opportunity where I will do the selling for you. Okay? Let's check out Joe Howard's Mark I Ford Zephyr Classic Dream Car with chrome-rimmed wheels, oversized tires, headers, twin carburetor. Joe Howard is one of our Amplify AI Workshop members. I offer all of our members to give me details of their classic dream car of which I produce an AI video, charging them nothing. If you are a free Amplify AI Workshop member, I will do the same for you. Finding a Mark I Ford Zephyr with specific modifications like zenith blue paint, chrome-rimmed wheels, oversized tires, headers, and a twin carburetor setup requires searching specialized classic car markets and part suppliers. It is unlikely to find a vehicle with all these custom specifications already installed, so you may need to source the car and parts separately. Where to find a Mark I Ford Zephyr? Classic car marketplaces online. Websites such as ClassicCars.com and Classic Trader are excellent resources for finding original Ford Zephyr MK1s for sale. Most cars on these sites are original or project vehicles, so modifications will likely need to be done post-purchase. Auctions. Companies like Historics Auctioneers and Anglia car auctions occasionally list Ford Zephyr MK1s for sale. Auction listings will specify the car's current condition and originality, which can include project cars suitable for custom work. Local classic car dealers. Given your location in Phoenix, Arizona, local specialists like Classic Promenade and Arizona Classic Car Sales may have relevant vehicles in stock, or could help you locate one through their network. Performance and aesthetic parts. You will likely need to purchase the specific parts you desire: chrome-rimmed wheels, oversized tires, headers, twin carburetor, and have them installed. Carburetor components. Carburetor rebuild kits and specific Zenith models for the Ford Zephyr are available from various online vendors, including eBay. Headers and exhaust systems. Performance headers can sometimes be found on classic car part websites, but due to the specialized nature of custom exhaust for classic cars, they often need to be custom fabricated by a specialist shop. Wheels and tires. Aftermarket chrome-rimmed wheels and oversized tires are general items available from a multitude of tire and wheel shops. You will need to ensure the dimensions and fitment are compatible with the Ford Zephyr MK1 specifications. Zenith blue paint. Zenith blue is a specific paint code that can be mixed by automotive paint suppliers. Opinion on your vision. Your vision for a Zenith Blue Mark I Ford Zephyr with chrome-rimmed wheels, oversized tires, headers, and a twin carburetor is a great blueprint for a unique, stylish, and high-performance classic car build. The modifications you've listed suggest a goal of both a distinct aesthetic and improved engine performance. The headers and twin carburetor setup will significantly enhance the performance and sound of the original 6-cylinder engine, which was typically a 2.2-liter or 2.553-liter unit. The chrome-rimmed wheels will complement the existing chrome trim the car was known for. The overall look should achieve the blend of classic style and glam you mentioned. These classic car marketplaces and articles focus on finding a Ford Zephyr MK1 and understanding its restoration or modification possibilities. Want to have me create a free custom, artificial intelligence generated classic car or truck image and or video for you that you can share with others? Keep watching to learn how. If you dream about owning a classic car, from your younger years I will produce an AI video for free that you can share with your friends and family. If you own a classic car or truck and want me to produce an AI video of your favorite classic, give me a photo and I will showcase it in your video for free. Then you can share the video with your friends and family. If you own a classic car and want to sell it, I will produce an AI video of your car by giving me the photo and I will showcase it in your video for free. Then I will teach you how you can share your video throughout the internet or at car shows. This AI video works great for those who are looking to buy a classic car or truck for themselves, for resale, or for restoring. I will produce your AI video with the make, model, year, and color you are looking for. Or if you wish, I will just keep it generic. Then I will teach you how to share your video on the internet and car shows for maximum exposure. Okay, now it's time to talk about the several profit opportunities using these AI image and video generating tools. Yes, the AI tools I use to produce this AI generated video you are watching right now. One of my several passions in my life is classic cars and trucks. I love going to classic car shows and museums, walking around looking at those classics from my teenage years. So I decided to turn that classic car passion into an AI profit opportunity, creating AI videos with my AI Workshop affiliate referral link in the video. If you are just interested in the classics and could care less about the AI profit opportunity, that's okay. I'll still produce a free custom AI generated classic car image and or video for you that you can share with your friends and family. Plus, I will give you the AI tools for free so you can produce your own AI videos. But if you are interested in an AI profit opportunity for your passion in life, whether it be classic cars or trucks, cooking, sports, affiliate marketing, crafts, consulting, or any side hustle, then keep watching to learn how. However you want to use these AI video generating tools, you will want to join our Amplify AI Workshop for free. Then find your affiliate referral link and program it into every AI video you produce. Now you will earn 40% monthly residual income when your viewers of your AI videos joins through your referral link, then becomes a Plus member. It's free to join and earn. You will find the referral link in the description of this video. This is the first of several AI profit opportunities you have with our AI Workshop. Keep watching to learn about another way. I understand that most of you have your own passion in life and want to use these AI tools to promote those passions. But why not use my already made, ready to earn, artificial intelligence classic car marketing system to start earning AI profits today while building out your AI videos for your passions? The classic car market is a multi-billion-dollar global industry, valued around $30 to $40 billion annually and growing, with a massive US base of millions of collector cars worth over $1 trillion, seeing increased online sales and interest from younger buyers, driving demand for modern classics and supercars alongside traditional vintage models. Classic cars and enthusiasts can be found just about anywhere. Car shows, auctions, online dealers, Facebook Marketplace, car clubs, swap meets, museums, just to name a few. Even if you are not a classic car enthusiast, there are millions of classic car enthusiasts waiting for you to offer them a free AI video for their favorite classic car or truck to buy for themselves, sell, restore, or just to show off to their friends and family. Here's how it works. This AI profit system is completely duplicatable. As an Amplify AI Workshop Plus member, I will produce an AI marketing video, maybe like this one, placing your Amplify AI Workshop affiliate link in the description of your video. allowing you to earn 40% monthly residual income when the viewer of your video then becomes a Plus member. This is a powerful duplicatable marketing system where I do the selling for you and your organization. All you do is share this video with those millions of classic car enthusiasts at the locations I talked about earlier in the last scene. When they join through your affiliate referral link, I will personally contact them and ask if they want me to produce a free AI classic car video for them. I will also notify you that you have a member in your AI Workshop organization, so you can also contact them, letting them know how great this AI profit marketing system is. Now, to help you recruit others into your Amplify AI Workshop organization, I'm going to create QR code templates, like the one shown in this scene, customized just for you. Now pause this video. Open your phone and the camera and take a picture of the QR code to see how this QR code card works. As a Plus member, I will create this QR code card just for you, programming your AI video in that card, and of course your affiliate referral link. I will give you the template to download, of which you can then print out on cardstock. These QR code cards are perfect to hand out at car shows, auctions, car dealers, car clubs, swap meets museums, just to name a few. Okay, let's get started. If you would like a free AI video for your classic car or truck, find the referral link in this video and join the AI workshop for free. I will then contact you in a chat with the info I need to produce your free classic car or truck AI video. Once your AI video is ready, I will post it in the community area. So you can then copy the video link and share it with your friends, family, and business associates. I'll be waiting for you inside. To your success, Harvey Silver Fox,